What is up, everybody? Today I have another Kangaroo Math video, and we will be going over this one question. If you need the question itself, feel free to check the link below. It'll be in the above the comment section. You can access that, you can print it out, you can do it with me. If not, I have it written down here. You can listen, you can pay attention. And again, you can pause the video at any time you want, just so you can gather what you're doing and maybe try it yourself. All right, with that out, let's get into it. So, a glass of water weighs 400 grams, right? So we have one glass, and it's filled with water. That is 400 grams. An empty glass is 100 grams. So just this is 100 grams. Now, the question, although I didn't write it, is how much is half of a cup, right? So if I have one cup, and it's half full of water, how much does that weigh? So that's what we're gonna solve for, right? So now, we look at a cup of water, right? What do you have in a cup of water? Well, you have water, right? But you also have the cup. So we can break this into two parts, right? We have the cup and we have the water. That's water. It looks like popcorn, but I don't really know how to draw regular water. It looks like a puddle. Okay, so we have these two things, right? And we know this is 100 grams. The cup is 100 grams. But now we need the water. So let's see how much the water is going to be, right? So we know cup plus water is equal to cup full of water. And we know the cup is 100 grams. So 100 grams plus the water is equal to 400 grams. So how much does that make the water? Well, let's pretend it's ones, not hundreds. So we have 1 gram plus the water, so you get to 4 grams. There, we know that the water is 3 grams. So here, since we're in the hundreds, it is 300 grams, right? So the water is 300 grams. So if we need a half full cup, can we just add the cup and the water, right? We can do that. So we get 100 grams plus 300 grams. That's 400. But wait. This cup full of water is 400 grams. That doesn't work because this is only half full. Wait, it's half full? So this is the water in the original cup. That's the amount of water we have. But in this one, we just have this. So the water is half. And we know this water is equal to 300. So this is half of 300, right? Because it's half of the water. So what is 1/2 of 300? Well, it's a tricky question, right? Because we need to think about big numbers. So let's break it down again. Let's say instead of 300, we have 30. What is half of 30, right? Or 30 divided by 2? Well, that's 15, right? Because 15 times 2 is 30. So that's 15. Now, if we go to hundreds, that makes it 150, right? So that means that the water in this cup is 150 grams. So is that the answer, 150? No. Because we need to remember that we need the empty cup, right? There's the cup and the water. So we need 100 grams plus 150 grams. And what's that? Well, 250. So a cup that is half full of water is going to be 250 grams. And that's our final answer. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm definitely trying to make them a bit shorter for you guys because I know you have a lot of work. And I hope you guys enjoy this format. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. My email is usually down in the link, down in the section below. You can just read it. Email me for extra work, extra problems if you have any questions yourself. And I hope you guys enjoy. Have a nice day.